Let's use giving anesthesia as a perfect example of why various angles are so helpful in getting your team ready. So to start, you always want to start with the start your engines drill. And even doing multiple angles for that start your engines drill, you can see how the assistant is getting ready and correct a lot of inefficiencies. So giving anesthesia, showing this from various angles, being able to zoom in and show it in slow motion can really resolve a lot of the problems in this, because there's a lot of nuances to giving anesthesia, and a lot of people don't do it just because they've never mastered these. So to master them, you need to show these various angles and show the nuances that's really involved in doing this without risk of needle punctures and carelessness. So you'll notice there she's handed me the needle with the bevel pointed down. So little tiny things like that are shown up very good with these various angles. And as you can see, Joy has seen that I'm getting ready to give the lingual anesthesia. She has the mirror ready for me because she knows to do this precisely and painlessly, it has to be very exact. So my mirror has to be defogged immediately. She's right there, ready to defog the mirror as soon as I place the needle against the lingual tissue there. And she's right there with the suction. So to be able to do this seamlessly without other problems and being able to do it very accurately, you can learn this by showing these various angles. See, her suction is right by the mirror there. And I'm able to do this very, very efficiently. And same thing with returning the needle. The various angles can help you refine your technique in a way that's very difficult to do without the video. So being able to zoom in and slow these things in slow motion really helps in mastering these techniques.